Tanisa. So today's video I'm going to be toning my hair. So if you guys are new to my channel, if you don't know, I like to do my hair stuff myself. So I bleach my own hair, do my own highlights, tone my own hair. So today I'm going to be toning my blonde hair. I don't know what exactly I'm going for. Like, I want it to be a little bit darker. Like I said, I don't know. I do have three different Demi Permanent shades like I'm going to use. I'm going to show you guys them in a second. So go ahead and keep watching if you'd like to see how I tone my hair. Alright, let's get into the video. Okay, so the toners I'm going to be working with today is Demi Permanent toners by Wella. So it's a Wella color charm. These are all the toners I'm working with today. I think I'm going to like mix them up because I do like my hair to be ashy, but I think I used the AA before and it made my hair like way too dark. So I'm thinking of putting like mostly 7A and a little bit of mostly 7N. And then maybe some 7A, so it's a little ashy, but I don't think I'm going to use the AA. I'm not too sure yet. We'll see how it turns out, and if I don't like it, maybe I'll go in another round and use AA. Most of it's the 7N and then the 7A. So 7N is a medium natural blonde and 7A is a medium ash blonde. So my hair is kind of yellow, kind of brassy. Like I said, it's like all over the place right now. So I'm going to mix these up, and then I also have my color charm activating lotion. So I have 2 bottles of this, and I have 2 because like I said, I do my own hair. So I have 2 of these. I have a little bit left. I have like less than half, so it's like right here. So we'll see how much I use. And honestly, like, I don't really measure my stuff out perfectly. Like, you're supposed to use a 1:2 ratio, but I just eyeball it. And I also have my little hair tools that I got from Amazon. I'll have a link down below. I use like a little kit. And I usually use gloves, but I don't have any, so I'm just gonna be like raw dogging it. I'm just using my hands, so hopefully my hands don't get dyed. This is the before. My hair is like pretty old, so don't mind it looks insane right now. So yeah, this is before. Boom, got a pin, clipped it in. So here's my hair. I do have like one long ass piece of hair. I don't know why. I'm like, I don't know. We'll fix it once I'm done. I'll trim it off if it looks crazy. So I'm going to first go in with 7N, and I did have 2 boxes of this just in case. And then it is like closed, so to like open it with the cap. Alright, squeeze all of this up. And this is how much is in 1 tube. So like I said, I do have 2 of them. I think I'm gonna add a little bit more of the second and then a little bit of the 7A, and then just add the lotion. Look at me, I'm really doing like a little concoction. Like, I know what I'm doing. Like, girl, you didn't go to beauty school. And I'm gonna open up the 7A and put a little bit of this just so my hair is a little ashy, because this, I think the 7N is more of like a warm color, and I do want my hair to be warm, but I do want some ash in there. Alright, so this is what it all looks like in here, and I'm going to add the lotion now. So I have to add 2 parts of the lotion, which I'm gonna be adding a lot just because there's a lot of dye in here, but I don't want to add too much because that's gonna be like too liquidy. Mix. Look at me, a little hairstylist. And when you do this, make sure to wear a shirt that you don't really care about, since it's going a little darker, it might stain your shirt. All right, here's my mixture. It's very full. It's already looking pretty ashy, so I'm gonna start applying it. I'm going to split my hair in half again. You guys see? Hope you guys can see. And I'm gonna start applying. And since I don't have gloves, my hands are already gonna get darker, so I'm literally just like massaging it with my hands. And make sure I go all the way down to my ends. Alright, first 2 sections done. So it's looking. Now I'm going to start on the top section. And I'm gonna split my hair in half, like my natural part that I already have. And then just tie one side up. Work on this hair on the bottom. So I'm just keep doing a little section just to make sure I get all the hair. Alright, now we're on to the last section. Boom. Let's check on the hair on the bottom first. Ooh, it's already looking pretty dark. Okay, period. Okay, I'm gonna hurry up so then my front sides can be even. Sitting on dry hair, it's like just instantly like soaking it up because there's no water like in between to like neutralize it, I guess. Because water is like a barrier between your hair and the toner. I have seen people use it on wet hair, but I don't know, I just decided not to. Because I did it last time and I feel like it didn't really tone that well. Okay, I have it all on, so I'm gonna set my timer. Honestly, I'm probably only leave it on for like 12 minutes. So I have my timer set just because it's already processing pretty fast. I already checked on the hair on the bottom. It's already pretty dark. Oh yeah, it's dark. So I'm gonna leave it on for like 12 minutes. I'll see how it's looking. Oh, it's very dark. Oh, I'm kind of scared. I mean, I knew I was gonna go dark, but like, I'm just so used to being blonde. Here's what my hands are looking like. Very, yeah, it's definitely turning my hands color. So I'm gonna go rinse my hands off, wait for the timer, and I'll check back in with you guys once it's been 12 minutes. So I'll be right back. Okay guys, I also have like 18 minutes. I also have a little bit longer than 12, but it's pretty dark. Glad I didn't use the AA. I'm glad I didn't touch it. So I'm gonna go in the shower. I'm not gonna wash my hair. I'm just gonna make sure this is all rinsed out and then use a deep conditioner and then do my regular curly hair routine. So I'll check back in with you guys after I'm done. I'm so excited to see how it looks. It's giving fall. It's giving very much fall, winter. So I'll be right back and I'll show you guys the finished results. Okay guys, this is the finished product, and yes, I got my lashes done in between, but don't mind the lash difference. But here's my hair. I love it. It is so cute. It's very dark. This is what I wanted. Honestly, I feel like I could go a little bit darker just because it doesn't match my roots perfectly. You guys can see like my roots are really dark. It's like, I don't know, it's like, it's brown, it's ashy. It's like, I'm happy I added the ash in because I feel like that made it a little bit darker. And I can definitely see the ash in it. Wow, my hair's really brown again. I love it. Here's the back. To the bottom. To the bottom. I love it. I love how it turned out. It looks so good. And if you guys can see this, I got some of the toner on the wall. So I hope that comes out. I'll have to paint over that. I don't know. Just don't mind that. But yeah, I love it. I love the color. It looks so good. I feel like it's making me look kind of pale. But yeah, so thank you guys for watching. Leave any comments you have for me down below. Let me know, what do you think? Should I go darker? Should I make it match my roots? Just go black? Because it's like, this is just brown. My natural hair is pretty like close to black. So let me know if I should go darker. I don't know. But yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.